What's up, everyone? Wild Strawberry Garage. It's a beautiful day in the mountains. I'm Sam Avery. We're here tonight working on 1969 C3 road racing Corvette known as SLUGGIE. This is a very special episode. You're going to see this thing go from a frame with wheels on it to this. What are you still looking at me for? Start the damn thing! Tonight, just got home from work, and I am going to sit this body, this cowl back, on that frame. And this is going to start looking like a car real quick here. So I just scrounged around, found all the body mounting hardware I want to use. I'm going to go with solid mounts instead of rubber ones. And I'm only going to put about a ½ inch of shim between the body and the frame. So that's going to be about 1 inch of body drop from factory. I like that. I'll probably have to do some work on the tunnel, on the transmission tunnel to make sure it all clears, but I was planning on doing that anyway. I want to make the whole thing removable. So yeah, big day, get you set up, get you a good view of all the action, and should be a good one. So let's get it. Hey, how are you? Do you need help? What do you need help with? Probably just lining this thing up. Two things I'm working against right now. Just got to get figured out before I can drop the back on. The front is on. Front's on. I dropped on very nicely. Everything's lining up good. The back, I'm hitting some stuff. That little post thing there, and then I'll probably end up hitting that thing in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a lot of this bulkhead, basically here to here, all the way over, back up, and then up to here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around the other way. We've had to do that. I've had to do that a lot of times anyway to make room for a fuel cell. So that's fine. It would probably have to happen either way. So I'm going to cut that out, and then that should give me the rest of the room to drop this body the rest of the way on. And yeah, big moment, man. Big moment. So I'm going to mask up, cut some fiberglass, and get you set up. I got it. And we'll roll it up to you here in a second. It's a little bit raked. I got to try to get the back down a little bit, but overall message here is I got it. Yes! Yes! So here it is, full roller. I got just wood blocks in for springs right now because I got no weight on it. So I'm pretty close to the desired ride height, the ride height that I'm going to be going for. So that's why I'm going to start fitting this body. Here, check out the floor. It's very nice, no rust, no holes, no weak spots. I had to relieve here and there and there, and just a couple spots. The corners on my removable cross member were touching the floor, and then these corners where they're bumped down were touching the floor. I also had to cut out back here for that hoop, that drive shaft hoop. So I made space for that. And then, yeah, some of this mounting stuff in the rear. She's fitting nice. She's fitting nice. I got all kinds of clearance, all kinds of room. And it's looking good, too. It's starting to look like a car. Let's see, boom. Looking at this body and looking at the cowl back that I have and seeing how it's all going to fit together, and I think I got a good plan here. So let me show you this body, all the grinding I've been doing. All right, so I got this thing peeled back pretty good. I got the top peeled back all the way down to that metal frame, around the back as well, and then I left these bonding strips on just in case I need to do something with them. And I left the door jamb pretty much intact. You can see right here I took a lot off all the way down like that, and that was for a reason. And I left the rest of it like that for a reason. So let me go over here, I'll show you on the body what I'm planning to do. These door jambs are glued in. They're glued in behind this seam on the other side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut right along here, all the way down to there, and that'll leave me enough meat here to maybe put in a Zeus fastener, or, you know, worst case scenario, a nut and bolt. But the reason I want to do it like that is, first of all, these door jambs have seen better days. They're pretty beat up, chipped up. I don't really feel like putting the time in to save them. The other reason is that I want to be able to slip this thing straight off the back and put it straight back on. And with those door jambs the way that they are, you kind of got to pull the body out and hook it around the car. I don't want to do that, because when this is painted, even when it's painted, I want it to come off easily without worrying about cracking the paint and stretching it and anything like that, cracking it, stretching it. So yeah, when I take those off, I should be able to just carry this thing straight on and get onto my mounting points wherever they might end up being. Now the back, I already have this frame bracketry system that Bill worked out to hold the back down with Zeus fasteners. So really, I just got to figure out how I'm going to get the front in line and looking good with the body lines. And I think I got that idea kind of perfect right now. So yeah, cut these door jambs and then bring them out here. So the body will end up mating right to there. So from here back will be Greenwood. From here forward will be 78 bulkhead. in there, right?
Damn.
Yeah, we already got the rear fit. 12 years later, nothing fits.
This is Batmobile, bro. This is Batmobile.
Because like on the regular nose, it'll hug that door.
Right. And my music blurs out. That's okay.
What the hell?
How the fuck are we gonna carry this over there?
I'm gonna get the front, you guys are gonna get the sides.
How the fuck are you gonna carry this all?
Zip zap zoom.
Whatever you said, I'm doing it.
Yeah, we'll see about this. I'm not the money.
Springs right now. Yeah, I just need them both shorter. The blade on there is shitty. You got to turn it over to get all the way through. you have it, folks. Sluggie's on her way. She is well on her way. I'm ready for body work, roll cage. I'm ready for some pretty interesting work coming up here. So if you didn't like, comment, and subscribe before, you better now. You better now. Because if this doesn't show you that I'm serious about this project, I don't know what will. I want to give a couple big shout outs to people who helped me with this. You saw them on the videos, but I never properly introduced them. Moose, Tom, if you're watching, I got you next time. Next time we're going to have proper introductions and the rest of it. So that's Mike Carlucci and Tom Sebald. Big part of why I'm right here right now. So I'm way ahead of, feeling like I'm way ahead of schedule, and I have them to thank for that. Also my roommate Mike Flanagan. He was a big help down here fitting this body, and yeah, many more to come. Many more. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this thing. I want to make this thing big. I got big plans for this car, and I want people to see it. So if you haven't already subscribe, hit that like button, give me a comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. I want to make this thing big. So yeah, till next time, Sam Avery, Wild Strawberry Garage, signing out.